Hi, welcome to my channel. We're continuing with the shave test of the Wilkinson Empire 7-day set, and just continuing from our previous videos this week. We're going to be shave testing Wednesday, Thursdays. We've already done Monday and Tuesday. So for those people who've not seen the previous video this week, we're shave testing the Wilkinson Empire 7-day set. There's the handle, immaculate condition. Very clean condition all round, including the handle, almost unused condition. And these are the 7 days of the week. Monday to Sunday. So we're now going to shave test Wednesday and Thursday. It opens just with a nice little clip here, which secures the blades. That's Thursday. Wednesday. Put these away for now. So same routine as before. Make sure that the pin there is down so the head moves freely. Rotate the top. I'll step out of the shot so it stays in focus better. But basically you put the blade on that pin. Like so, and then you twist it until it locks in place like that. You can move the blade freely. There. Let's see if we'll do a better focus. You can see it's locked in place there. And then you push this lever here, which controls the adjustment of the blade. You press that in and you'll see the front jaw move there. And that locks the blade in place. And then screw up the handle. And there you have it, firm, locked. So. All these blades that I'm testing now will pop a hair anywhere down the blade. Completely smooth shaver, no tugging. I'm just going to adjust this blade now. I'm just going to screw it up to turn it right to the full aggressive, and just go a little bit against the grain just to get these little bits off. Yeah, you can tell. A definite difference there. I'm going against the grain now. So that's Wednesday's blade. I'm just going to knock it back to 4 turns. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then continue on with Thursday's blade. So if you do get any awkward bits that you can't manage, just wind it on to number 7 on this wheel. So this blade out is same routine again. Press it forward, the jaws will move there, and rotate the blade out ish, it says. Oh yeah, you got to unscrew the handle. Unscrew the handle first, that's it. And then you push that lever forward, the jaw will move and you rotate the blade up like that. That just snaps out, rotate it 90 degrees, put the new blade in, and click it into place. You can hear it click. Push the lever forward, the blade will drop into position and back, and screw in the blade, the handle. That's it. Like everything else, once you get into the routine, it's easy, easy, easy. Again, I'm going to wind it on 1, 2, 3 for going against the grain. Done that. and back onto 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You won't think it'll make any difference with just these tiny adjustments. But it does. Slightly. Only slightly, but it's enough to make a difference. You get a closer shave. Turn it up to number 7 again, I think, just to finish off there. Okay, that's Thursday's blade. Thanks very much for watching, and catch up with you again at the weekend. We'll be shave testing Friday and Saturday. Thanks very much for watching. Bye for now.